This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Can you help the harvester find the bug in her code? So we have 4 out of 4 blocks in use. Okay, and we have a repeat 4 times south pick corn. Let's test this out. It's going well. And notice she's not there yet. So here, I'm not sure how many steps it's going to take. Let's just test out. Oh, they're not going to let me move this. Let's increase it to 5. And notice what it's doing. South pick corn hits the bottom. Zoop. Whatever this number is the amount of time it's actually running it. So zoop, 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 zoop. Up, so it looks like one more. And again, let me point out, I'm going to go 6. Let's use step to make sure we understand. I'm going to hit step, and what do? I go south, and now I'm going to hit step, and I pick corn. Then the program hits the bottom of this and says, okay, I need to run this 6 times. That was once. So zoop, and I'm going to go south, and I'm going to go pick corn. Program hits the bottom and says, okay, that was twice. Keep going. 3rd time, I'm going to go south, and I'm going to pick corn. Hits the bottom, zoop. 4th time, I'll go south and pick corn. 5th time, south and pick corn. 6th time, south, pick corn. If we had code beneath this, it would run now after we finish. But look, 4 blocks, and we picked all of that. Pretty awesome. Onward.